Alright, so showing what I've done here, I've got the padded top as per the other video, so there's a little bit of, like I said, this is the lighter padded one. You can go much heavier with it, but a little bit of that gasket maker compound up in the top corner in the shoulder, and that pads against that shoulder there. And then down on the inside here, got some little bits of cardstock shimming up quarters of O-ring, and there's the other 2 quarters, which means 1 O-ring does 2 switches. It's very fiddly, very fiddly to get 2 pieces of cardstock in there and then get the O-ring in there. In fact, it helps to have the spring out. And by helps, I mean I can't imagine doing it without the spring out. Let me put this back on here and show what's happening. So there's a bit of a question as to when the click actuates. There's actually 2 ridges on there. The bottom ridge is not actually in play when the key switch is on, when the top is on. It's only the second little shoulder that actually has any actuation. So with the top on, it's about there. All right, and so here's the at rest position, and as you depress it, it slowly gets over the leaf spring and then lets go and goes down. Now stock, it goes down a little bit further, but with the pads in there, it just doesn't go down as far. And that makes it much quieter. So, like I said, it's hitting the O-ring before it hits the fork on the stem, and that makes it much quieter.